guys, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I have a very special guest with me today. She came in all the way from Pompano. Do you want... Ooh.
Hi!
Bonjour!
Bonjour! Du Québec! Johanne du Québec!
Yes! So we're doing some painting this afternoon. This is Johanne Lepage. Oh, you know what? I forgot to do two things. Okay, we want to paint. Obviously, I had a bad time trying to do a white pour last night. I have two canvases that look exactly like this. So what I'm going to do is take my Artist Loft white, for the white, and I'm going to paint the edges. Just like that. We want to do that so that everything sticks to the canvas too. So especially with the edges, because we're dealing with some really thin paint here. Okay. So speaking of thin paint, I think I need to thin it out just a little bit more. So Joanne is here until April. She's been in Pompano this whole time, and we are finally getting together for lunch and painting. And have you been enjoying yourself, Joanne?
Yes.
Mary? Mary?
You probably have many followers that are from, that speak French.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. There, okay. So I know my base is thick because I just did a test. So I'm putting some more water in it and getting it to the right consistency. This, my friends, is drips. It's just drips. So what I did is I doctored it up a little bit with some extra satin enamel. It's getting close. Yeah, just a little tiny bit more. When you think it's thin enough, add more water.
So
just add more water. It's never thin enough. Add more water. It's just that's just the way it goes with these pours. So you have to have it super thin when you tilt it off. I mean, I just did a test towel and it was running kind of slow. That's how I knew that it was a little bit too thick. So let me wipe this off because I just got water all over it, and that'll... I should have put more water in it. See, this is probably just right.
So you mix the blue with the pearl.
Yeah, that's,
okay, pearl
yeah,
white.
This is just, yeah, the pearl white. Now it's moving faster because of the white.
That's the white recipe that you have on your YouTube channel.
It is. See how fast it's going now?
Mm-hmm.
That's the right consistency. So my drips were still a bit thick.
Thick, yeah.
Mm-hmm. You know, this one might not work out. Who knows? A lot of birds, eh?
Yes.
I don't mind birds. Raccoons, not a fan. Sorry.
Do you keep the bubble? Or
Nope.
you torch it
I
before?
Wow, you're right on it. I was just gonna torch. Thanks, Joanne. I never turn it up high enough. That's not my problem. make something out of this. Sorry, the bees just aren't making it. Nope. No brown. What other colors do I? Oh, I have this one. That's pretty. That's my usual color. Oh wait.
This is
for cloud. This is really thick. All right, so what I'm going to do is take a little guy and fill him with water. It's teal. Just going to have to smell my paint. Whoever knew I would be sniffing paint as an adult woman? Oh my God. Just to see if there's varnish in it. I don't suggest sniffing paint, people. No. Let's just leave it like that. All right. So. Tilt, 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 tilt. See how I'm tilting vertical? So it's coming down quick. The reason I do that is because if I take my time tilting, then I'll end up with a bunch of pearls up there, and when I tilt back, they'll be all mangled, which I'm kind of liking that right there. And back we go. Have to tilt enough paint off to get the pearls. This might not even work out either because there might be too much paint on. It's not moving too quick. It's not moving too quick.
No.
No, I'm gonna leave it.
Usually it go faster than that.
Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse, and I will be back. Let me see. Oh God, I'm not even in frame. Hey guys, so this really bubbled up quite a bit. Loving those pearls. Sorry about the shadow. I'm usually painting at night, so I don't really have shadows on it, but I'm glad I put this that orange in. Kind of broke it up, gave it some nice composition. And it doesn't look like, you know, the white and the gray are coming through on these pearls. So the gray does pearl, but I didn't really put too much on it, just on its own, like right here. So, and then this blowout thing I tried didn't pearl up at all, but I don't mind it. So, let me know what you think. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now.